Hello friends. In many cases, we may need to remove registry keys. In this video, we will learn about how we can remove registry keys or items because registry keys are treated like files and folders in file system. So remove-item is a command that is used to remove registry keys. In example, we are trying to remove a registry key specified under path parameter. RI, RD, RMDIR, RM, del are some alias for this command. As you already know, I always encourage to use alias because they reduce code write time and code length itself. By just seeing this example, you can easily know how alias reduce code write time and code length. Command has 11 characters, but its alias has only 2 characters. Path parameter is used to specify path where registry key exists that we need to remove. This parameter accepts wildcard and also we can specify name of item in path parameter only. As you can see in this example, we have specified name of registry key in path only. And in second command of this example, we have specified path using wildcards so that we can remove multiple registry keys in single action. What if parameter is used to know the output of a command in advance without running the command actually. This parameter is very helpful when we are performing some critical action like some deletion or modification. In example, we are using what if parameter. Recurse parameter is used to delete registry key and all its subkeys without manual confirmation for each key deletion. For example, suppose we have a registry key that has 10 more subkeys and we want to remove key along with its subkeys. Now if we use recurse parameter with this command, then we will have to give a confirmation only once. But if we don't use recurse parameter, then we will have to give a manual confirmation at least 10 times to perform this action. Now let's recap. Remove-item may be used to remove registry keys. Path, recurse, what if, and confirm are some of the parameters of this command.